City leaders say Chicago is heading in the wrong direction as the number of cases has ticked up in recent weeks.
Health officials say the next few weeks are critical as the United Center mass vaccination site continues to expand capacity. WGN's Dana Rebick is live at the United Center with more on that. Dana?
Well, at 9 o'clock this morning, drive-through vaccinations started here at the United Center. Today, we were told there were about 500 of those appointments, and they will scale that up to 1,000 people per day through that drive-through site. Now, this, as the city's top health official today, is urging residents to take precautions as cases go up.
It is a real moment of question here, and where we see cases going up like this, even in the setting of a good vaccine rollout, it's too early for us to think COVID is over.
A rise in cases concerning Dr. Allison Arwady with the Chicago Department of Public Health. The city's case positivity rate up to 3.2% from 2.9% last week. Cases, we're told, being driven by younger Chicagoans age 18 to 29. And with spring break right around the corner, a revised emergency travel order is in effect, with the entire East Coast down the Atlantic seaboard highlighted in orange. Travel to these states, as well as a few others like Minnesota and Michigan, where cases are up 112%, require a negative COVID test when returning to Chicago or a 10-day quarantine.
Michigan is now third highest in the country in terms of new COVID cases. They have detected quite a lot of cases of that B.1.1.7 variant, the one that originally emerged in the UK.
On the vaccine front, today the drive-through opened at the Federal United Center site.
Make it convenient for everybody to get it done.
Cars enter a parking lot, pass a registration area, then pull through the vaccination tent. After receiving the shot, you park and wait 15 minutes before leaving.
I think I'm going to be safer in the long run.
So far in Chicago, more than 1 million vaccine doses have now been administered, 11.7% of all residents fully vaccinated. As far as first doses, 1 in 5 of all Chicagoans have received one. 1 in 4 of those 18 and older, and 1 in 2 seniors 65 and older have gotten a first dose. But as COVID cases are again on the rise, health officials asking the public to still take precautions.
With March Madness coming, people are excited about Loyola. I'm excited about Loyola. Let me remind you, Sister Jean is in the stands, fully vaccinated, 2 weeks post, and wearing a mask.
Be like Sister Jean. That is what Dr. Arwady is asking all of us to do for just a bit longer so more people can be vaccinated. Here at the United Center, we're told 6,000 people vaccinated per day with this drive-through feature added. And in the city of Chicago, starting this coming Monday, the vaccinations will expand to the 1C group. Live at the United Center, Dana Rebick, WGN News.